Morning folks, welcome back to the workshop. We've got a bit of an empty workshop behind us here. Just enough room to get a 55-foot narrowboat in. So today, Saturday morning, at 7 o'clock, we've got a new boat coming, fit it out, it's all made, engines in, sail away, foamed and all that. So we're just fitting it out. There's a crane arriving any minute now and the boat's coming about 8. So today we'll be installing that into this workshop. What we do is we'll drop it down in the doorway, and we've got scaffold tubes which we'll lay across here and we'll roll it in. So we'll go outside, get everything ready. she's in. Took a bit of doing, but we've got her in. She's rolled in on scaffold tubes and some channels, some big channels. It's the only way we could get it in. It's a bit tight out there with the room between the buildings, but she's gone in anyway. We've not touched it or anything, no damage done. Good crane driver and that, and your sound then. So this is a new project. It comes from ABC Boats at Boston. It's a sail away, so it's foam lined with the engines in it. It'll start up that straight away. We've had a run of it up at the boatyard. And cruiser stern, windows are all in. We've got the layout worked out. It's just a matter of fitting it out now. So that's a project we've got to do. Another project. We've got to finish that boat in here. It's nearly done. And get on with this. And I've got to finish mine as well. So I like a challenge. So we'll have a quick look round. So this is the corridor side of the boat. That's into the kitchen, what will be the kitchen through there. And this is just the corridor going down. So there's only a couple of portholes and duck hatch here in saloon at the front. And as you can see in there, foam lined. The timbers are all up there, all the lats on the walls and that. So the first job is to get that base done, which will mean scraping all that foam and crap off at bottom, painting it, and then we'll get some ballast in. We've got a locker on the front here, but that is purely a storage locker. The gas isn't going in there. We've got gas lockers on the back. The duck hatch. So these are the gas lockers either side of the door there, so that's ideal. Short run straight into the kitchen to hob and that, and you've not got to run miles of gas pipe. So there's the prop. It's all ready to go in the water. There's one of these. This is the drainage from the hatch there, the channel, to drain the water away that gets down it. And then down here, I can't remember, our kitchen. I think that's that's kitchen, bathroom there. And there's a bunk. Oh no, that's the bedroom, that's double bedroom. That's a toilet, just a single toilet. Then a bunk. And then here is the saloon area. So it's sort of 6 berth, because this couch in here will turn into a double bed. You've got double bed there, double bed, bunk beds, and then like a double bedroom. And that's it. It's got its anodes on. So it's just a matter of fitting it out now. So that's it for today. It's took 4 hours to get that boat in here. 8 o'clock till 12 o'clock. We've been at it, but she's in. It's fun getting it back out. But we'll do it. Anyway, that's it for now. So that's the new project boat. So thanks everybody for watching and liking and subscribing. If you can subscribe, that's brilliant. So I'll see you all later. Ta!